Um, Hello, everybody. If you're watching this, you're probably one of my friends on Facebook. You're probably one of my fans. And I wanted to share myself completely with you. So I decided to do this video. I'm not going to be too long. I'm sorry, I'm getting nervous. It's something that I always wanted to share with you guys. I couldn't, but I think it's time. Um, I'm shaking. I think it's time for me to share everything with you, share my whole being with you, share everything that I am with you. And um, some of you might unfollow me for this, and some of you might see me differently after watching this video. But hopefully, all of you will understand where I'm coming from. Okay, there you go. I've come to realize that I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sands, talk to myself for hours, saying things that he would never understand. I can take myself dancing. I can hold my own hands and definitely, I can definitely love me better than you can.
I got you. Don't tell me I didn't get you. I got you. I know I got you good. April Fools, guys. Poisson d'avril. Tous mes amis, tous mes fans. April Fools. I'll catch you next year. Okay, I used the lyrics of the song Flowers by Miley Cyrus to prank you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the prank. Enjoy what I did with this, and I hope you enjoy the song. Go listen to it. Flowers by Miley Cyrus. See you.